Boys, welcome back to another Roblox video. So today, as you saw in my thumbnail, I am sailing my freaking McLaren. I'm sailing my McLaren, bro. I cannot look at. Wait, let me show you my beauty. Let me show you what I'm sailing right now, bro. Let me freaking show you, brother. I'm gonna. First, let me spawn it. This is my beauty. Dude, this is my freaking beauty. My beauty car, my beauty car, my beauty car, my beauty. My last race. I'm just gonna race the last time. Dude, I'm actually about to not cry. I'm gonna be happy. I don't know how much this car costs, but I mean, let me take it for a spin. My last spin is a car, bro. Yep, boy. Yeah, boy. Alright, bro. This car is amazing. Wait, let me see how much is top speed in this thing. Oh my goodness me. Brother, this car is actually the most, not the fastest car. Alright, bro. Yep, going back. Reversing. Yeah. Wow. Now we're gonna mew it. Alright, boys. Anyways. We're gonna go back home. Dude, what is going on with my game? Yeah, wait a minute, bro. Alright, anyways, I'm back. So, today's video is gonna be really short. I'm gonna be sailing it, bro. No joke, not real. Nah, it's real, no joke. I mean, I'm gonna be freaking selling my McLaren 2019 when I can actually drive this. Hey, dude, let me drive this. I can't. Nope. But I'm supposed to be rich. Yeah, boy. Alright, boys. I'm actually gonna cry. I'm selling this car, bro. I spent all my money in this car. It took me so many minutes. Like, it took me 5 minutes to get that car. Oh, no. I just messed up the thing. But anyways, bye-bye, boy. I'm just gonna say bye-bye. As you see at the time, I'm heartbroken. I'm selling my freaking car, bro. What you supposed to do? In 1, 2, and 3. Hey, me. I guess I'm rich now. Whoa. You telling me that is a helicopter? Wait. McLaren and helicopter. Businesses. Dude, yeah, no. I don't think I can drive a helicopter, brother. So yeah, I'm gonna be driving my other cars right now, dude. Let me show you what kind of bad cars I have right now. And don't forget, dude, I don't even want to be in your car. And don't forget to get this thing, bro. It's free. If you like me, if you are subscribed to this channel, bro, get this merch on, bro. You see, bro, I got this amazing, beautiful now. Now let's drive my new cars. Now we're going to cars. Charges 2005 TBR service. And a minute, damn. Dude, yes. Dude, this is crazy. Dude, let me drive. Dude, this car is actually beautiful. Whoa. Weave. my dream car. Wait, where? Dude, that thing is that fast. Like that. I'm going back. Whoa, wait a minute. Get it out, Lula. Wait, I'm gonna get my beautiful, amazing car. So I can teleport houses. Teleport! Dude, teleport! This is freaking crazy. I'm gonna, display. Displaying the 2014 McLaren. That is actually beautiful then. Alright boys, I'm home. Home sweet home. Baby, look at this beauty. Wait a minute. I'm actually curious. I've never lived at home like this. I mean, dude, anyways, I don't know why I'm having fun. The video plan is selling my McLaren. Yeah, bro, my McLaren 2019 is... Wait a minute. No way, bro. Woohoo, boys! I have in a garage. Dude, I got two cars facing each other. Yeah, I'm taking this one, boy. I'm taking this one for a ride. Oh, yeah, the car, bro. Oh, yeah. Dude, yeah, wait. Can I not get in the car, bro? And don't forget to get this merch on it, too. Yeah, I don't even know what's that merch, dude. This is crazy, dude. Anyways, that was it for today. Like always, it's always peace.